so if you should kind of compare, and I know this is a little bit hard because it's a little bit hard to say, well, what if? But basically, if you should compare a situation where when you started the company, you were going to raise money and say, well, we won't start before we raise money,
yeah.
and compared to the situation where you basically bootstrap your way through the first 18 months or something like that. Have you kind of thought about the benefits of actually going that route compared to
how we did it?
Yeah, no, actually kind of the benefit of doing your bootstrapping way compared to you raising capital from the beginning, basically.
Bootstrapping our way is more. There isn't a big risk. You don't offer anything of your company at first, so you still have 100% of the company. You're still 100% shareholders. It's your company. The good thing is also you don't have to make a business plan. You don't have to also maybe invest a lot of money in a website. It's actually quite simple. Our website, it took us 9 hours to make the website, and we were ongoing at the right ahead. Just when we started, we got the idea in January, and after talking a little bit, in the 9th February, we actually launched our website. So it went quite faster. So I would say the speed, and also not knowing if something is possible is very difficult. So we wanted to know before we went out and raised money. We wanted to create some traction, because if we have created traction, we would also raise money at a higher valuation.
Sure.
So that was one of the things that was very, very important for us. Also, it was just to give something that we don't know the value of.
Yeah.
So that what I would say was the benefits of that. It was that we waited actually a long time and got a quite high valuation with Berntsen, even though we didn't have the biggest revenue.
Exactly.
So that was that's why I think that was the benefit. We didn't sell out of something we didn't know the value.